Welcome back, students. In a second part of a first chapter, that is the introduction of a biostatistics. In previous lecture, we have seen that the content of a chapter, that is the definition, statistical terms, and the scope of a biostatistics. Then we have seen the definition of biostatistics. Then what is a sample, what is the sampling, what is the primary data. That basic concept we have seen in a previous video. In this video we are going to see next concept, that is a secondary data. In previous video I have explained primary data. The data are used by the first time, or the data are collected at a first time, that is known as the primary data. And what is the secondary data? Simple concept or the simple answer expecting from you. The data are used or the collected at a second time, that is known as a secondary data. For example, internet, book, newspaper, there are the some example of that data. You get it. What is the secondary data? That simple. Data means information, and the secondary means second source, that is known as the data. Those data are collected by the second sources. For example, internet, books, newspaper. For example, internet, if anybody the primary data post on the internet, and the internet by the another person that access that data, that are the secondary data for that person, that is known as the internet. Next is the books. For example, editor write a book, and that book read by the another person, that is the second source. Editor collect the first data, then that first data use or the collect by the reader, hence that is the secondary data. Newspaper also same. Any newspaper company printing a newspaper, that means they have a primary data. With the help of that, they write a newspaper, and that newspaper used by another person, or the read by our human, or the any other person, that means teachers, any other person read that newspaper. That is the second source of data, that is known as a secondary data. Simple concept are given. Next concept are the qualitative data. You have difference between quality and quantity data. Data, you have remember that data means information, and information, it is nothing but the information are useful for the statistics for the another person, that is known as a data. Qualitative, the object are determined by the quality of that data, that is known as the quality of data, or the qualitative data. For example, data are expressed in the qualitative characters, such as a color of object, height of object, and the any other quality of that object, that is known as a qualitative character. For example, color of object, the color of object that are measured in terms of quality, either red, green, pink, white, any color, that determine the quality of your data. Second point is the height of tree. Height of tree are measured in a two types, either they are the dwarf, either they are the short, either they are the tall, either they are the long. That quality are measured in only two terms, either long, either short. That type of data is known as a qualitative data. For example, favorite color is a red, height is a tall. Next concept is the quantitative data. In previous slide we have learned about the qualitative data. In this slide we are going to learning about the quantitative data. Let's see what is the quantity. The data are expressed in terms of digit or number. That data is known as a quantitative data, that expressed in a quantitative character of a data. For example, weight of object 5 kg, the length of plant is a 1 meter. That data is known as a quantitative data. Simple concept are given. Quantity means we are taking a soil having the specific weight, and that weight are measured in terms of a amount or number or digit. That data is known as a quantitative data. Next is a parameter. So what is a parameter? There are the different types of students come for the botany, and they know knowledge about the chemistry as well as the physics. For that purpose, the parameter in physics, the parameter, it is nothing but the unit of a data. Same concept here apply. Unit of a data, parameter is a numerical property which describe the data. For example, we have a given a percentage of your mark, but percentage symbol is a not given. For example, XYZ student got a 84 percentage, then people think it is a more talented, but I will only mention XYZ student got 86. There is a no mention percentage, marks, no any symbol. That symbol, it's represent the unit or the parameter that describe our data. That is simple concept. Parameter is summary of number like average, property, percentage, describe overall data. For example, population data can describe mean, mode, median. Same example, but in case of statistics, there is a mean, mode, median are given. For example, there is a group of population in some area. For example, A area having a population 2000, and that 2000 we have calculate mean, mode and the median that describe the population of a group A. The previous in this video we have discussed about the what is the secondary data, what is the qualitative data, what is the quantitative data, and the what is a parameter and their example. Do you understand? That are simple three concepts we discuss in this lecture. Remaining discuss in a next lecture. Thank you.